Hi, this is Tag again, and today I want to show you how to turn one of these, P5E Deluxe or P5E or Maximus formula into one of these. ASUS Rampage formula, well, not really turn them into, but cross-flash the BIOS so you get better overclocking options. Anyways, unfortunately, as you maybe can see, this one says CPU VRM on here. Also, there is the clock gen missing, a couple of FATs missing, and the socket is worn out because I binned about 1300 CPUs on this board. So this one is not going to do. What I did was just flash this one to a P5E, the X38 version BIOS, and I'm now going to show you how to flash it back to a Rampage formula in software without using any hardware tools. Hope you enjoy. See you at the computer when creating a bootable USB next.
And here we are at a slightly cluttered desktop. First, let's get something called Rufus, which can create bootable USBs. Now, I'm going to connect the USB. Here is a 32 GB stick. Let's select 3 DOS here. MBR, BIOS is fine, FAT32 is perfect. Start, and it's going to format our stick. Oh, that's in German. Anyways, I hope the English version of Rufus looks similar enough that you understand what I'm doing. There we are. Finished. Close it. Open the Explorer. There's our stick. Now let's make a new directory, P5E. Now you need... which of the Mozillas did I use for this? This looks good. Now you need the AFUDOS engineering version. I link in the description. Copy the exe to our P5E folder. Now we want a Rampage formula BIOS. Why do I have to most cluttered browser ever here? Just resize this. There we go. ASUS Rampage formula. Rampage formula. Get the newest BIOS. There we are. Copy this thing as well. Shut up, WinRAR. Why am I still using WinRAR? No idea. Put this in here. Let's rename it. Let's call it something like RF101. Perfect. Now eject you just to be safe. And I will be back with a setup and boot from this USB and show you the next step.
Okay, here we are. Let's start the system. Now this is the Rampage formula that I previously cross-flashed to be a P5E. Let me show you. There we are. Up there in the top left corner it says P5E. So this Rampage formula thinks it's a X38 board. Let's continue booting. Hopefully I got the right stick this time. Tried to record this before and then booted from the wrong stick. Looks good. Let's see. CD P5E. Go. Looks good. We got our files. Now let's get the command. We need U to 36, U, then dash I, slash I, RF, this is not case sensitive, 101 because it's DOS. Then we need slash pbnc slash n, and this should ignore everything now. Am I able to open ROM file? Well, yes, that happens when you forget to type .rom. There we go. Now it's flashing. Again, sorry for the shaky camera work. My tripod is more or less taped to the wall. Let me show you while the thing is flashing. There it is. That's how I do the videos on my bench. It's sort of taped to my shelf of GPUs above my bench. Anyways, this thing is done 60%, 80%. And now we are writing. Come on. Writing boot block. There we are. Now let's reset this thing and hope it boots. Let me show you this one. It looks good. Let me see. Hey, ROG logo. Let's go into BIOS. Come on. Do something. Thank you. As you can see, top left corner, Rampage formula 101. We got the newest BIOS, and this is now a Rampage formula again. And with that, we have all the nice BIOS options we want. Very good. I hope this helped some of you with those P5Es, P5E3 Deluxe, P5E Deluxes, and Maximus formulas. This is definitely the best BIOS for them, and I hope you get some really good scores on them. Bye!